So are you on your way to Marriott's Grande Ocean Resort here on Hilton Head Island, South Carolina? Maybe you want to see a 2-bedroom villa. Let's head on inside and check it out. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy, and we're not going to check out the roof. Today we're actually going to check out our villa here at Marriott's Grande Ocean Resort on Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. But before we do, I just want to let you know, on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. So if that's what you want to see, be sure to subscribe down below, hit that notification bell, and select all so you don't miss out on any videos. Alright, let's head inside here, a beautiful 2-bedroom villa at Marriott's Grande Ocean. So as we head inside the very large entry here, the one thing you're going to notice is a large mirror with a large shelf here. Another handy thing there is the electrical outlet, perfect for charging all your devices. Immediately to the left was a large-sized utility room with a full-size, high-efficiency washer and dryer. This is also where you'll find the ironing board, and vacuum cleaner. Another handy thing here was these coat hooks on the back of the utility room door. Something actually good to have in those chilly December days when we were there. Now let's head into the guest bathroom. Not too big, but not too bad overall. You have a large vanity, toilet, as well as a large walk-in shower. Now let's take a look at the guest bedroom. 2 queen-size beds on either side of a nightstand. The guest bedroom also has a large flat-screen television. And perhaps one of the most interesting things of this guest bedroom is the closet organizing system that they have set up here. Alright, moving on from the guest bedroom and bathroom area, we're going to head into the main area of the villa and the large kitchen. Full set of appliances, dishwasher, refrigerator, microwave oven, and range and oven as well. You have just about everything you need in this kitchen. It's almost just like being at home. Now, one thing that I found a little bit frustrating in this kitchen was the refrigerator. Unfortunately, for whatever reason, they went with these bottom freezer refrigerators, which are really not very convenient. You have to always be bending over if you want to get ice cubes out of the freezer. I just don't understand why they didn't use traditional refrigerators with top freezers in these kitchens. Full set of dinnerware, dishware, glassware, cutlery, utensils, pots and pans, and if you really do want to cook up a great meal in the kitchen, it has just about everything you need to get by. I do want to point out a real nice thing about these cabinets here. Soft close cabinet doors. Now let's head over to the dining area, a large dining room table that seats 6. And as well, there's a nice ceiling fan over top of the dining room table, which was a little odd for us. We would have rather had this over top of the main living room area. Now, of course, it's time to check out the living room. A large sofa bed that pulls out into a queen-size sleeper sofa, as well as 2 chairs, a couple of side tables, and a small coffee table. There's also an ottoman under that one side table that you can pull out and use to put your feet up. There's also a TV stand with large flat screen television and DVD player to play your favorite movies. Alright, time to move on to the master bedroom. a large king-size bed, and you'll also find in here a nightstand as well as a large desk, something that's very handy and that we thoroughly enjoy having in our villas. Now you'll also find here something that we noticed, these kind of handy reading lights on either side of the bed. You'll also find plenty of storage in the chest of drawers, atop which you'll find another large flat screen television. So no matter where anybody is in the villa, and if you have plenty of people staying with you, everybody can enjoy something different on TV. Now let's take a look at the master bathroom, separated by this large barn-style door. You have a large tub here, across from which you'll also find a large closet. In here is where you'll locate the linens for the queen-size sofa bed in the living room, as well as an in-room safe, though I don't know why they put that safe so close to the floor. In the bathroom here, you also have a very nice and large double vanity. Across from that double vanity is where you're going to find the large walk-in shower. Nice thing here is it also has a shower seat. And finishing off the bathroom here, you're going to find behind this door, in its own small room, is the toilet. So now that we've seen everything on the inside of the villa, let's step outside to the balcony. 4 chairs and a pretty large patio table. As well, and I certainly like to point these out, you're also going to find out here an electrical outlet. Perfect if you want to happen to do some work on a nice warm day out on the balcony. Our villa didn't have much of a view, but if you squint really hard and kind of try and peek over those trees, you might see a small glimpse of the ocean. So there it is, the 2-bedroom villa here at Marriott's Grande Ocean on Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and to see more videos about timeshare, check out the description box below. For another video about Grande Ocean, check out this one right up here, and YouTube, they think you're going to like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.